Here you go. Got the pull stud on there. No hole. And I've attached this block here. Let's see. Yeah, okay, that's tight. Now, there's a couple of 1032s on your spindle. On the, I guess this would be the spindle cartridge, the nose of your spindle. And strangely enough, I didn't get any 1032 screws, but they gave it to me. Now, it's got something that basically shuts the air off when the spindle's not in position. The problem I see here is, you know, this is my coolant line. This is my programmable coolant. So this is in the line of fire. However, I'm going to be running my coolant down at this level. Shouldn't be a big deal. I can relocate this guy over here and then jog it around. Not a big deal. Now, believe it or not, that whole air spindle is going to fit through there. I've designated pocket number 6 as where I'm going to put it. Got it large, and as you can see, it took me a little while just to confirm that I've got all my tools. Whenever you make something large, it automatically eradicates the pockets next to it. So I had to jumble my tools around, and basically you just go in there, highlight what you want, and type it in. Now I run standardized tooling. 1 through 5 are always the same tools. Now let's call it tool number 1, which is a 1/2 inch end mill, and let's see how much clearance we got on that arm to the block. Boom. All right. So now I'm kind of interested in keeping this clean. I'm going to be running some parts today. I don't have my tubing ready to get into position here, and so that means that's going to be open and chips can get in there. So I'll probably pull that off, or I'll find something to plug it with. That way I can finish the job tomorrow. But yeah, so far everything's looking good. I did an M19, and then I just manually put it up in there and aligned the quick air. Now it's got like a Z height adjustment, and I noticed that when it was engaged, I couldn't move this. I have it all the way down, and that's the other thing. I didn't get any instructions. I would think that this should engage, and I can actually turn that, but I would think that, you know, I'd want it to kind of lock into a position, semi-lock. That way when I do my tool changes, this is in the general vicinity. And you know how it is, people climb up inside that turret and monkey around, and if that gets turned, you know, say 6 degrees, it's going to miss the target when it does a tool change, and then basically that fitting is going to crash into the side of this block. Now they've got a nice lead in on there, but you know, I'm a little nervous about it. Anyway, so that's where we're at so far. Hopefully tomorrow I can get this thing spooled up and do a couple of test cuts.